Oke guys, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I will exploring one of the most many travel experience in Medina. We will start by visiting Kurba Mosque and then continue our journey to that market, where you can find one of the most famous product of this region. Let's go. Our first stop in Kuba Mosque, which is now a first mosque in Islam. This mosque was built by Prophet Muhammad SAW, peace be upon him, when he arrived in Medina during his migration from Mecca. Kuba Mosque holds a very special place in Islam history. Praying here a great virtue, and many visitors come with a deep sense of respect and gratitude. The mosque has a clean and simple design, surrounded by peaceful environment that makes it perfect for prayer and reflection. When you stand here, you can truly feel a history and spiritual atmosphere that connects the past with the present. After visiting Kuba Mosque, we continue our journey through to the street of Medina. Along the way, you can see youth neighbors, local shop, and the shop people going about their daily lives, and the city feel calm and welcoming. This short deep show of Medina, how Medina combines a spiritual heritage with a everyday life. It is now crowded of rest, and everything feels balanced the Pacific World. Now arrived and the market on the most popular places for visitors in Medina. This market is famous, they offering many types of dates, including Ajwa dates, which are highly valued by Muslims. The market is full of energy, colors, and friendly sellers. You can see stack of the dates especially beautifully, and many shops allow visitors to taste the before buying. That here often bought as gifts for family and friends back home. Besides that, you can also find honey nuts and other local products. The experience of walking through this market gives you a real taste of local visiting Kuba Mosque and that market in on trip creates a perfect balance between spirituality and culture. You start the journey with a prayer and reflection, then continue with exploring local tradition and flowers. This experience shows that traveling in Medina is not only about visiting holy places, but also about understanding how faith and daily life come together in a beautiful way. Today's journey from Kurba Mosque to the data market has been an unforgettable experience, it remains us that Medina offers both spiritual depth and rich cultural tradition. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now in Mount Uhud. Mount Uhud is located in northern area of Medina and stretched across along a range of reddish brown mountains. It's well known among Muslims because it was the site of the Battle of Uhud, one of the most important events in early Islamic history. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also said that Mount Uhud loves us and we love it, which show the special status in of this mountain. Islam studying here, you can feel a strong sense of history and reflection. The Battlehood of took peace between the Muslims of Medina and the Quraysh of Mecca, and then at the beginning the Muslim had advantage, however, due to disobedience to the Prophet instruction by some Uhud archers in Uhud, and then this battle teaches Muslim important lesson about obedience, discipline, patience, and trust in Allah. The even though the outcome was difficult, it strengthened the Muslim community and gave a valuable guidance for the future. Many companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, were martyred here, including Hamza bin Abdul Muttalib, the beloved uncle of the Prophet. His sacrifice remember you with great respect and honor. Visiting Mount Uhud is not just about seeing the historical place, it's also about remembering sacrifice, fight, and perseverance. The place reminds you as a success and hardship are both part of the journey of fight. Mount Uhud stands as powerful reminder of Islam history, sacrifice, and value life lesson. Visiting this place help us understand the past, the every is teaching in our daily lives. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.